Hi, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Mars XR 30M S-Spool. So this spool it's a metal spool, but it's got a sort of a grippy plastic coating to it. So it's got all the features that you see on most of the modern day spools. It's a little bit flared out, it's not overspun, it's got a decent sized thumb sort of hole there, and because it's got this like grippy material, it's really handy and very tactile to grab hold of. It's a little bit heavier than a traditional metal spool, which gives you a decent control, sort of holding it in the water. But of course it has all the traditional sort of holes and features that you get on a spool. Comes as standard with a double-ended bolt snap, and you get a little leader sort of rubber hose on that, so you get a bit of control. You got the red line as well, which stands out really well in clear and blue waters. It's just a decent spool just to set off a dSMB or lay a bit of a guideline when you need it. But that sort of plastic rubbery coating does really give it a nice sort of tactile feel to it. So that's the Mars XR 30M S-Spool. Thanks for watching and safe diving.